So morning breath is real.
When you're this close to each other, you quickly realize you need to brush your teeth. So,
Probably not a bad thing.
welcome to this morning's video.
So yeah, over the past week you've seen us do a couple of DIY things to the van, and anybody knows that when you start pulling out tools and stuff, they usually don't go back in very easily. While our tools are all out, we thought we'd take this opportunity to show you guys what's in our garage.
Yeah, because we've had a couple of people ask about our storage, so we thought, perfect opportunity, it's all out. Let's just bring you guys, let us see it, pack it all back.
Pack it up, back.
Was I just repeating what you said, only more concise? Let's go see what we got. So our setup has changed a little because now we've got boulder mats and we're much more focused on climbing rather than trying to commute in the city. So let's have a look.
Okay, so
It needs reorganised. I think we just need to unpack this whole van right now, to be honest, because it's looking quite stressful. I'll quickly explain.
let me get in the shot so at least there's something aesthetically pleasing to look at.
This right side of the van, we don't really need to touch because it's pretty much all climbing mats.
And what do these climbing mats do, just for people that don't boulder?
If you fall off a rock, they make you not injure yourself.
So it's a crash pad.
Yeah.
What you can see here is everything that's in this section of the van. So
Yeah.
we've got these two mats, an electric guitar, an acoustic guitar, our chocks, and just some van stuff.
Yeah, and then we've got the awning and the hammock and so an extension cable and stuff. Okay, so that's that side done.
So this side, take a look at this, like step back and look at the amount of crap that's around here. Like, a lot of people's spare tires can go up in under the back, but that mechanism is broken in our van, so we have to put it inside the van. Here is the start of the Tetris mission.
Is that the music for Tetris?
Yeah. You can see we've got like a wire rack here. That was half a, like one of those pop-up IKEA wardrobes. You can see where we installed our offshore power there, and there's also a third battery that we retrofitted. So our spare wheels just fits in the middle of the van, and it's just fastened in by some straps.
Now it's the next thing, tools.
Next thing is actually a sports box that never gets looked at. Do you want to see what's in here?
It's basically like a nonsensical box. To be honest, doesn't need a full box for this stuff, but are you planning to take up skipping anytime?
Oh, skipping would be a great exercise.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, I'm up for that. I'll skip.
I shouldn't. I said that as a joke. Now he's gonna make me skip.
It's so good to get your sweat on, you know. So as you can see, the sports and activity here goes right in the back corner, so we can never see it again. Mostly because the only activity that we really do is climb, so
It's our priority. I'll never choose to do anything over climbing, to be honest.
I mean, now we've got our skipping rope out, so
Barf. I'm pretty sure everyone, let's just say, can everybody just go and comment right now, okay? Who wants to see me try and learn this unicycle?
okay. So a quick rundown of my tools. This is a little solder kit. Cheap and really good to have. You're always looking to wire in new switches or daisy chain more lights and stuff, and it's just handy to have. The socket set goes without saying as well. You need to fix your van constantly. Just a small grinder. It's handy for like cutting metal. So that's really what I like.
That's what we used to do the window, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that's what we cut the window out with, but it's just handy to have. And the tiles as well. You got like a little tile blade on it, and yeah, a really good like right angle straight edge is a winner as well. All the levels are good for is the straight edge because nothing is ever level in the van. So if you can make something square to something, then winner. Okay, next, come with me. I feel like I'm in Funhouse or something.
Okay.
Lots of different types of screws because you're always screwing stuff into loads of random bits and pieces. I've got this multi-tool. It's really, really good for like notching bits out and just shaving stuff off using it kind of like a planer as well, so it's really handy to have. Lots of different bits and stuff, more bits and stuff. Our van build was done with this battery drill and this handsaw. These are the things that you learn as you go along. So like now, if we were going to do another build, I would know exactly what tools that I want. Table saw, good handsaw, battery drill with multiple batteries because you don't want to be waiting for your batteries to charge. Silicone gun is also a staple. And then that's just my toolbox. It's just full of like miscellaneous hand tools that I've picked up over my lifetime.
Okay, so beyond the tools that we use to do the work, we also have some excess van related stuff.
Yeah, this has got like different sprays, adhesives, tape, stuff like that. All the kind of crap that you have in a garage is kind of in this box. Like, I think we've got like 4 tins of WD-40 for some reason. I suppose you could say that this is kind of like my Monica closet. It just kind of gets put in there and just the lid, but it doesn't help that it's see-through, so you can still see it.
Okay, so let's put it all back, put it away.
This is going to be a little bit of a mission. You know what would be really interesting? To see if you could work out how to put up your folding bag.
Right, okay.
Prepare to be amazed.
I'm just going to come and sit here because I want to be a viewer for this one.
So guys, you unhook the bungee and then you pull up your handles. Oh, they move, okay. Oh, it clicks. Right, so that pedal's trapped that wheel. I'm sure that was an executive decision to keep it in place. So I'll move that out of the way and then I can swing this open. And then there's like a mechanism here to keep you from falling apart. Do I turn that? Oh yeah, look, that turns. Excuse me. That was all right.
There you go. If Keely can do it, anyone can.
Oh, I'm rolling backwards. Okay, that's enough for me with this bicycle, okay? Stay tuned for the unicycle.
Yeah, you can barely ride one with 2 wheels. How's it going to be with one?
Oh yeah.
Well done. Now that you've proved to me that you can do that, I never have to do it again.
Oh, please. So,
You do that. I'm going to put the scooter away.
as he said, the scooter he puts at the back so that we can access it from the front, and it's the same with me with some school stuff I've got. So I've got some bags full of delicious math books, so we keep them at the back so I can access them from the front. The same with like the tennis racket and the ukulele and stuff. So a lot of the stuff that we use a lot goes right at the back so we can take it out in the main van. So these were the 2 bags that we backpacked through South America in like 2 years ago, just before we bought the van. So this one is currently the same as it was in South America, just full of all our camping gear. We've got a 2-man tent, we've got our sleeping bags and like just all the campy stuff, our little
Sleeping
camping
mats.
stove. And then your bag has climbing stuff, ropes and our harnesses and stuff like that for any outdoor sport climbing we do.
Flips and gear, yep. This bag has spare climbing stuff. This bag is our bouldering bag. So everything does make sense.
Yeah, camping, rope climbing, extra rope climbing if we want to do loads, and bouldering. So basically there's no hooking about. We know everything lives in a specific bag and it just makes our life a lot easier for days out.
Makes sense, right?
This is our laundry bag, which I'm sure will feature in a video of its own if we do one about our clothes, storage, etc. As you can see, it's pretty full right now. Oh no, I got it. That's on camera. I caught that.
Now how can you throw?
I'll show you. So there you go, that's our back storage. I think we've done a pretty good job. Unpacking it and repacking it made me realise I think we have actually made good decisions with what we've brought. Personally, there's only the odd thing where it's like we probably don't need that. But like with all our tools and stuff, people might be like, why have you got all of this? But it's like, you just don't know when you need it. And considering the fact that we just randomly built a bench, it shows that you do need it.
Better looking at it than looking for it.
So let us know any weird stuff you have in your van that you don't think other people have, and if there's anything in our van that surprised you or you think, oh, why have you got that, what are you doing? So we're going to leave you guys there, go get some food, and we'll catch you all tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.